The internet is about to break. Not crash, not disappear, break. Right now, the global internet runs on a system built in the 1970s. Undersea cables carry over 95% of international data, and they snap. They get cut by anchors, earthquakes, even sabotage, and it's happened repeatedly in the last 2 years alone. But here's what nobody's talking about. That infrastructure was never designed for what we're throwing at it now. AI, real-time video, billions of connected devices. Global internet traffic has doubled in just 5 years. Networks are straining, outages are becoming more frequent, and the system is quietly running out of headroom. So a new system is being built, not on Earth, but above it. Thousands of satellites forming a low-orbit mesh network that could route the world's data without a single cable. And when it does, nothing will work the same again. If you want to understand what comes next, who controls it, who profits from it, and what it means for you, hit subscribe. Because this is just the beginning of that story. This is Event Horizon Research.